Do you need to score a B in the OET test? Then this course is for you. This unique online course gives you the knowledge, the language, and the test techniques you need to achieve a high score in each of the 4 OET papers: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Reach OET-B combines different elements to give you exactly what you need to prepare effectively for the test. You get a 100-hour preparation course written by Virginia Allen, SLC's Head of Medical English, an OET expert, exam writer, and internationally renowned medical English author. You get 48 live lessons given by OET specialists from the SLC academic team, and you get over 70 videos from OET Joe, SLC's academic head and YouTube OET preparation star. And you get full practice tests so you can see how you perform under timed conditions and understand where you need to improve before taking an official test. Reach OET-B is dynamic and interactive with multiple activities, video and audio inputs, expert insights, and plenty of test practice. It's online so you can study when you want and where you want, and it's accredited and certificated by the CPD Standards Office, so you know the course is of excellent quality. SLC is Europe's first OET-accredited premium preparation partner. We work with hundreds of nurses, doctors, and other medical professionals every year to improve their language skills. Want to work with an expert OET trainer? You can combine the course with one-to-one coaching to get the personal feedback and input you need to do your best in the test. OET is now recognized by healthcare regulatory bodies in the US, UK, Canada, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, and Dubai. Achieving B in OET allows you to work around the world, so book your course now and prepare for success in OET.